Okay, again, grade 10 students, if hindi pa napanood yung unang video ng Solving Absolute Value Inequalities, doon muna. Kasi malilito ka pag dito ka nagsimula. Okay? So, start sa case 1. Okay? So, dito sa video na to, ang pag-uusapan natin ay case 2. Now, tandaan, iba kapag negative yung given. Nasa case 3 at 4 yan. So, tayo ay nasa positive B itong side na to. So, positive P dito. Okay? Now, take note, greater than or equal to kapag case 2. So, pasensya na sa audio quality, muulan kasi talaga. So, in this case, use the following formulas to solve the inequality. So, from here, you will have if x is greater than P, or if absolute value of x is greater than P, then x is less than negative P, or x is greater than P. Then, pansinin mo, kapag naman absolute value of x is greater than or equal to P, then x is less than or equal to negative P, or x is greater than or equal to P. Pareho lang. Pinagkaiba, inequality symbol, na gaya nung sa case 1. So, proceed tayo sa example. Take note, positive ito, then greater than or equal to, kaya sure ako na case 2. Ganon i-identify ko anong case. So, balik lang tayo dito kanina. Less than siya, less than, then positive, so case 1. Pag negative, case 3 at 4, depende sa kung less than or greater than. So, dito case 2 tayo. So, ang sabi, if absolute value of x is greater than or equal to P, then, dito muna tayo sa una, x is less than or equal to negative P. So, yung buong absolute, yung nasa loob, 3x plus 6, ito would be less than or equal to negative 9. I-negate mo lang yung 9. Then, mula dito, solve ka na lang po. So, para ka lang nagsosolve ng equation. Combine like terms, lipat ko yung positive 6 sa kabila, magiging negative. So, 3x would be less than or equal to negative 9. Then, from positive 6, magiging negative 6 kasi naglipat tayo. So, 3x would be less than or equal to negative 9 and negative 6 would be negative 15. Dividing both sides by 3 para makancel yung 3. X now is less than or equal to negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. So, nakuha na natin isa. Punta na lang tayo doon sa kabila. Para kunin naman yung isa, we will have, sinin mo, x is greater than or equal to P. So, whatever is inside, kunin mo lang. So, 3x plus 6. Instead of less than, greater than or equal to. And instead of negate, copy mo lang, positive 9. So, ganun ulit. Lipat ko yung positive 6 sa kabila, magiging negative 6. Then, positive 9 and negative 6 is positive 3. Dividing both sides by 3, cancel to. X now is greater than or equal to 1. So, from there, meron na tayo agad inequality notation. Wait lang. Bahin nga natin ang kulay. So, inequality notation. Ano yung inequality notation natin? Ito na agad. X is less than or equal to negative 5 or x is greater than or equal to 1. Ito na po yung answer. Pagsasamahin lang natin into one statement. Then, para naman sa number line, draw ko lang number line. Hindi ko lang pinapakita para mabilis yung video, pero kaya nyo naman na mag-draw ng number line. So, from 0, so plot ko lang tong negative 5. So, since negative 5, from 0 going left. So, assume natin na nandiyan siya. Then, positive 1 is going right. Okay. Now, inequality symbol natin ay less than or equal to saka greater than or equal to. So, hindi open circle. Yung gagamitin natin ay closed circle or yung shaded na circle. Kasi di ba hindi kasama dito si negative 5 and positive 1. Kanina, ang term natin ay in between kasi ang inequality natin ay less than. Dito, meron tayo kasing equal to. Kaya shaded. So, from here, alin ang isa-shade natin? Ang sabi, tingnan mo mabuti. x is less than or equal to negative 5. So, ang numbers na less than or equal to negative 5 ay papuntang negative infinity. So, ang shade ko ay ito. Okay? Kasi di ba ano ba yung mga numbers less than negative 5? Negative 6, negative 7, so pakabila. Now, ito naman is x is greater than or equal to 1. So, ano yung mga numbers greater than or equal to 1? Positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, hanggang positive infinity. So, ang shading mo, itong side na to naman. Okay? So, sa interval notation, para hindi ka malito, sa interval notation, tignan mo lang yung graph mo, yapat. So, dahil less than or equal to, bracket. Tandaan mo, pag may equal to, bracket gamit natin. So, starting from negative infinity, exemption to the rule yan, up to negative 5, bracket. Union, positive 1 to positive infinity. Ibabase mo lang sa shading. Okay? So, from negative infinity, ang infinity laging parenthesis yan. Up to negative 5, since closed circle to, bracket. Then, positive 1, closed circle, bracket ulit, positive infinity, parenthesis ulit. Okay? So, grade 10, and so grade 10, for your extra recitation, since medyo mahaba ito and gusto ko may solution, isend na lang po sa akin sa PM. So, let's say your given is absolute value of 2x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 10. Ayan, almost similar with my example. Answer na lang po, then picturean, isend sa akin via PM for your recitation for today. That will be all. Thank you.